And I'm taking this garlic in. We'll get rid of a bit of snow. Hopefully these plants will be alright. But I don't even trust garlic. Because it's in these containers, that's going to freeze solid. So that can go in greenhouse as well. And another disaster. The weight of snow overnight has collapsed this 34-foot oak tunnel. It's bent all pipes. I'm hoping I can straighten that out, because if I can't, that's a disaster before we even start growing season. I'm basically going to have to strip down the entire thing to get the weight off these pipes. I have to try and get this done while we've still got some daylight. Absolute nightmare. Well, I think that oak tunnel's had it. It's kinked every single pipe. I don't think I can repair that. I don't think there's any way I'm going to be able to repair these unless I can force a bar down it to straighten them out and then wait till it warms up a bit. But this year it's just one disaster after another at the moment. Well, that's definitely something I wasn't expecting today. I had to go out early to work this morning and the snow was coming down really heavy when I left, and we got 4 to 5 inches of snow that had settled, but I never for 1 second thought it would do that much damage to that oak tunnel. Every pole except one has been basically kinked, so now it's going to be really difficult to even think about straightening them. So I might have to replace them with some new piping this year. But at least we've got some strawberry plants put in that greenhouse. We'll get the rest of these wrapped up and then I think we'll just call it a day. There's not much or anything else that I can do. And I hope you haven't got the same disaster as we've just had with those oak tunnels. But before I go back in, even though my hands are pretty much frozen, I'm going to have to now pull that netting back over that entire oak tunnel, because if I don't, It's the only place in the garden that's not covered in snow, and tomorrow there'll be cats in it, making an even bigger mess out of what's already an early season disaster. Anyway, take care, and I'll see you again soon.